This is my first non-quota bag of the year. It is... Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elisa. I'm addicted to luxury goods, accessories, makeup, skincare, self-care, and not going to rehab soon. Today I have another unboxing video here for you, but it's gonna be a short one because it's my recent purchase and my first non-quota bag of the year, but it's gonna be an exciting one because to me here it's really hard to find. First, we have some mules that actually have this style already, but I was waiting for a suede version, and I've actually asked my SA about this because I've seen other people review it from abroad, like not in Thailand, and I feel like Thailand gets things a little bit later than other people. I don't know if that's true. But we have these suede Oz mules. I love these Oz mules so much, and this one is in the color beige sable in suede, as you can see in the texture of this leather. And this hardware is actually permabrass, so it's the same hardware that I have on my mini Kelly, which is a very light gold, like not too yellow gold, which I love. Like this color, I would say it is a lot lighter, well not a lot lighter, but lighter than E2, but it's deeper and more browner than their usual beige color, which is really pretty. And I got this in 37, which is like my normal size. I love this style. It's so easy, it looks professional, and I love the suede touch. So here are the two pairs together, and you can see close-up of the hardware. Love this color. Next, we have a new pair that I've actually never had before. This one is actually also my first ever Hermes heels, but the reveal, this is so cute. This one is the Lover Pump, but in the short version heel, because the tall one is so tall and I'm not good with walking in heels at all. This one is only 4 centimeters and it is a sling back with the Kelly hardware, as you can see, in silver. This is actually called the gold color, but because it is in a different leather, I would say it's a lot darker than the other gold that I have. The front is very tapered, pointy. I think it is so pretty, so professional, great for work. And I got this also in 37. Actually, when I tried this on in store, the 37 was too tight on me and I wanted to get a 37 and a half. But when I try on both sides, as you probably know, in general, like our feet is not the same, like left and right. So when I tried the right side, I was like, oh, it's too small. And then when I tried on 37 and a half, I tried on both sides. Like this part, it stretches out. So I decided to go for the smaller size. On to the main event. This is my first non-quota bag of the year, and probably of this year and last year. I did not get a non-quota bag at all last year. So excited for this. You can guess and comment down there what you think this is. This is not a Birkin Kelly, but I'm so excited for this because it's a mini, and a mini is very hard to find in Thailand. Let's go straight to the unboxing. Another very special thing about this is the ribbon. As you can see, it's the 2025 ribbons, and it says like drawn to craft, probably in French because I can't read it. So this is in French and this is in English because it says drawn to craft. It's so cute. Can you already guess what this is? It is Mini Lindy. I have never thought I would ever get a mini Lindy because I'm definitely not a Lindy person, but look at this cuteness. You can hold it like this. You can use the long strap. I've seen people like putting the straps through here and making it short so you can hold it like this and like around the crook of your arm. I'm actually gonna try to do it right now. So you pull this through and then you loop it around and then you put it underneath it like that. So yes, this is how you're supposed to hold it, like on the crook of your arm. Like, it's so cute. This one is also in E2 with gold hardware. I'm actually gonna bring the beige sable out to show you the color difference. Here is E2 in the Clemence leather, and this is the beige sable that I got that is in suede. Like, as you can see, this is like more greenish, more E2P color. I would say this is more E2P, and this is like just a little bit more pinkish, lighter beige style. But I never thought I would want this bag. To me, a Lindy is so girly for me, but because I have a friend who has this mini Lindy, and she carried it when we were traveling together, and it fits so much. It fits so much that she made me want to have a mini Lindy. I am still afraid to take everything off because I don't know yet when I will take this out as my first day. I haven't used this yet. I'm thinking if I should use it on a first day when I'm traveling, like a special occasion. I don't know, but this is so cute. And I've seen people wearing it like this, and they like put stuff in. I actually tried to put a lot of things in here. It fits so much. Like, it fits a phone, it fits everything. I just highly recommend, if you want a travel bag, that you can wear it crossbody, on the crook of your arm like this, or you can top handle it like this. But you can't really use it as a shoulder bag. I've tried it. It doesn't go all the way up. It's like stays on here, and yeah. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know down below, and like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!